Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is decimate. It is pronounced decimate, and it is spelt D-E-C-I-M-A-T-E. Think deck, then I, the letter I, and then mate. Decimate means to destroy a large proportion of something. For example, you could say the hurricane decimated the town. The word decimate comes from the old Roman military term decimate. That's pretty much the same, isn't it? Roman military soldiers could be punished for running away or other crimes they may have committed with decimation, meaning the killing of every 10th man. The word decimate comes from the Latin root word decimus, which literally means 10th. In the film Avengers, Loki and his army decimate New York City during the battle. Buildings are destroyed in huge numbers. It is decimated. Can you think of any other examples of something that has been or is being decimated? Decimate is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say deforestation decimated the rainforests. Decimate is defined in the dictionary as to destroy a lot of something, typically referring to a significant reduction in numbers or strength. Decimate synonyms include annihilate, devastate, obliterate, and ravage. Antonyms include preserve, protect, and spare. See if you can notice anything being decimated today. It could be in a book, could be in a sports match perhaps, or perhaps something that you're watching on YouTube. Either way, impress your friends and family by using a new word today. Decimate. It is quite enjoyable to say as well. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.